I have a message of the day for you. If you're having any chest pain, discomfort, palpitations, shortness of breath, dizziness, those are serious symptoms. Could be manifestations of heart disease like blockages, heart attack, angina, atrial fibrillation, heart failure. All those things could manifest with those symptoms. Please call your doctor and don't delay in seeking medical care. You could come to the office for in-person visit with a lot of protection, or you can call for phone visit with your doctor. Those symptoms should not be ignored, and I know you're trying to protect yourself from coronavirus, but those symptoms could be even more serious than that. Please don't delay. Take care of yourself.
Go to our website, vinocure.com, and schedule your appointment now. We will contact you as soon as possible.